I was just gifted this queen size bed frame from the brand to give a review, and let me tell you, I am absolutely loving it. It is so beautiful, perfect for your pets to join you. But the overall fabric of this headboard is so soft and velvety. A really cool feature about this headboard is it is adjustable. So if you have a really thick mattress, you can actually adjust the headboard up quite a bit by simply just moving these bolts, which are so easy to adjust. So I absolutely love that feature of it. Again, just look how velvety, soft, and smooth and comfortable it is. You have the velvet look all around the whole bed, which makes it a nice, clean, crisp look. All right, so here are the drawers. So if you lift up a little bit and pull, it has a little screw here and a little spot here, so you can lock it into place. You don't have to lock it into place. That's just an option if you want to, but they just pull out. They have wheels on there, so you can put shoes, clothes, extra blankets, extra pillows, whatever you want in there. It rolls nice and smooth, and then just close it up. So there are the 4 drawers, 2 on each side. Again, if you want it locked into place, you can, but you do not have to, which is so great to have that option. And I love that the headboard is nice and sturdy enough that you can sit up in bed, relax, watch your show, scroll on your phone, whatever you need to do.